Tamil students of our community. So the idea for this program really came from our own personal experiences. Being the first generation in Canada, we've experienced navigating the Canadian education system, looking inside and outside of our own community for mentors and guidance. Now, however, there are many Tamils completing their university and college degrees and are starting their own careers in their respective fields. These young Tamil students, like us, are eager to share their experiences to those currently in high school and starting university. And so we are inspired to create this new mentorship program specifically for you, specifically for those young Tamil students interested in pursuing a higher education. So our goal with this mentorship program is to provide mentorship in two different ways, one indirect and the second being a direct mentorship program. Through the indirect mentorship program, we will be hosting several workshops where our senior university students will be volunteering their time to help high school students with their university applications, with resume writing, and with improving their interview skills. We will also be hosting several seminars where we will be inviting health professionals to come and speak about their respective careers, where they can provide advice to the high school students who are interested in pursuing those same careers and give them advice about how they too can also pursue those careers. And from this, we hope that the students planning on going into university will then have the education and the resources that they need to make informed decisions about what they plan on doing. So the other part of this mentorship program will be a direct mentorship program where a young Tamil student will be paired with a senior university student or a Tamil professional with whom they share the same career goals. They will then be meeting with their mentors once a month where they can discuss different topics and gain specific career-related advice so that they can make good decisions when they plan on pursuing those careers themselves. Ultimately, our goal is to provide young Tamil students with the advice and resources that they can have so that they can be the best they can be and be as successful as possible. When we first introduced this idea to the older Tamil students, we were so grateful and inspired by the amount of support and excitement they showed. Having said that, we are now reaching out to you, the younger Tamil students and your parents, and encouraging you to please take advantage of this opportunity because this program was developed with you in mind. We really want to help the young Tamil students be successful and be the best that they can be. So we will be setting up a table during the intermission. We'd love to answer more questions, so if you have any more questions, please come visit us during the intermission. அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். முதற்க நமது இந்த Paying It Forward நிகழ்வை அறிமுகப்படுத்த உதவிய பிரிட்டிஷ் கொலம்பியா தமிழ் கலாச்சார சங்கத்திற்கு நன்றியை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். இந்த நிகழ்வு இங்கே வாழும் இளைய தலைமுறை மாணவர்களுக்காக உருவாக்கப்பட்டது. அவர்களின் எதிர்கால கல்வி முறை வழிகாட்டியாக அமைவதே நமது நோக்கமாகும். கல்வி முறை சம்பந்தமான ஆலோசனைகளை விவரமாக எடுத்துரைக்க எமது Paying It Forward உதவும். நாம் அனைவரும் ஆர்வமாக உதவி செய்ய காத்திருக்கின்றோம். நமது இளைய மாணவர்கள் எம்முடன் இணைந்து உங்களது முன்னேற்றத்திற்கு வழி வகுக்குமாறு Paying It Forward உங்களை அன்புடன் அழைக்கின்றது. மீண்டும் உங்களுக்கு மேலதிக விவரங்கள் தேவைப்படும் இடைவேளையின் போது நமது Paying It Forward-உடன் கலந்தாலோசிக்கலாம். மீண்டும் ஒரு முறை தமிழ் கலாச்சார சங்கத்திற்கு நன்றியை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன்.